honorable members, as you are aware, several devotees lost lives in a stampede that broke out at a religious event at Hathras in Uttar Pradesh. The loss of precious lives and injury to helpless persons in this tragic incident is indeed painful, unfortunate. All necessary steps are being taken to provide medical aid to the injured, and authorities have set up a committee to investigate the matter. This House joins me in expressing our heartfelt condolences as well as deep sympathy and sorrow to the bereaved families and in praying for the speedy recovery of the injured. I request honorable members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of those who lost their lives in this tragedy. Honorable, one second, I've taken note of it. One second. Honorable members, this is an aspect on which this House should deliberate in a structured manner so that all over the country where there are places where people gather for fairs, for religious purposes, or similar social activities, and we need to have a structured mechanism in place so that the administration at district level all over the country is sensitized. I had reflected on this when I addressed Indian Institute of Public Administration. I would personally welcome inputs from members as to what can be done in this direction, and in the next session we will work so that we evolve a mechanism such events are avoided, because these events are avoidable. And I'm sure the House will take note of it. We'll have it next time. Let us not protest. I have said this is not an occasion, sir. Papers to be laid on the table. Shri Jagat Prakash Nadda. One second. Nadda ji. Honorable.
Just I want to suggest you, ऐसे जो हादसे हो रहे हैं बहुत से जगह, ये ब्लाइंड फेथ पे लोग जमते हैं और इसके लिए कोई कानून नहीं है। यानी ऐसे सत्संग बड़े इसमें करने का है तो इसकी कितने एरिया में होना चाहिए, कहाँ पर होना चाहिए, एक्सेस क्या है, नियर हॉस्पिटल्स कितने एरिया में है, ये सब अगर आप ऐसे एक ब्लाइंड फेथ पे जो लोग कुछ समझे बिना लोग जाते हैं, जाकर ऐसा आज जो बड़ा हादसा हुआ 135 लोग मर गए हैं, तो इसीलिए इसको एक आप कानून बनाइए।
थैंक यू सर।
क्योंकि ऐसे ब्लाइंड फेथ को बहुत से लोग पुलिस ऑफिसर्स बन रहे सत्संग में।
थैंक यू सर।
कोई और नहीं, बहुत से बाबा अब जेल में है साहब। इसीलिए मैं आपसे विनती करता हूँ, ऐसे बहुत से नकली,
प्लीज सिट डाउन,
नकली बाबाओं को,
लीडर ऑफ द हाउस, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग?
नकली बाबाओं को
एक सेकंड, संजय सिंह, if the leader of the opposition is on his legs, I will not countenance anyone interrupting. I will not countenance any member interrupting anyone. Leader of the opposition is making a very important point. That point has been made to me in my chamber by Leader of the House, by Sri Pramod Tiwari ji. They came to my chamber This is an important point above partisan stance. Please, sir, point is taken note of. After the session is over today, I invite you. and you
मैं
to-
इसलिए कह रहा हूँ
Please, sir.
कि महाराष्ट्र में ऐसा एक कानून बना जो अंधश्रद्धा के खिलाफ जो हाँ वही अंधश्रद्धा वो पूरा मेरे को एक्ट का ये मान अंधश्रद्धा के लिए कर्नाटक महाराष्ट्र में कानून बने हैं उसी लाइन पर
Understood.
आप कानून बनवाइए
Take a note of-
और इसके ऊपर पाबंदी लगाइए कि ताकि जो सच्चे लोग हैं वो आने दो नकली लोग
you, sir.
आकर पैसे के लिए बहुत जगह वो आश्रम बनाकर लोगों को लूट रहे हैं
you,
ऐसे
sir.
मर जाए
Sir,
तो मैं आपसे विनंती
Sir,
करता हूँ
solemn occasion, you made your
होम
point.
मिनिस्टर का
You made your
स्टेटमेंट
point, sir.
इसके ऊपर होना
your point.
चाहिए
Made your point.
होम मिनिस्टर को आप बोलिए
Made
या
your point.
लीडर ऑफ द हाउस है
Sir, sir.
उनको बोलिए
Sir, please, you have made your point. I understood it. Honorable members, I think, sir, please control. Sir, honorable leader of the opposition has raised important points. I am sure leader of the house himself has indicated to me the same thing in my chamber. Take note of it. It will be extremely healthy tradition that both of you get together and we work out something so that such events which are avoidable are avoided.